All right, Alex, thank you very much. A Fox 16 News update now. School will be back in session for Jessieville students Monday, marking 1 week since an EF1 tornado badly damaged their school. Now the community is rallying together to clean up what the storm left behind. Our Riley Birdwell went out and spoke with the Jessieville Superintendent. She joins us live now in studio. Certainly a difficult time for staff and students, but what did the superintendent have to say?
Absolutely. Well, Superintendent Melissa Spears says that the staff members and teachers that had some minor injuries during the storm, they're doing much better. Now, she also went on to talk about the cost of the damage and the way that the community came together to support them.
There are no words to describe what this particular scene, looked like Monday afterward.
After a tornado ripped through the small town of Jessieville, it left behind this scene on Monday. The superintendent now giving updates on how much the damages will cost.
$1.5 to $2 million. Again, I think it's going to be 2 to 3 times that by the time we get finished.
And the plans moving forward. First on the list, she says, is a police car.
And the next focus will be getting our music and band building back, depending on what all that entails. And then again, working to get our athletic facility.
This is Maddie and her mom, Suzanne, and they were both inside of the schools when the tornado hit.
Since it was my first tornado to go through, I was really scared.
Suzanne is a teacher, and she talks about the relief she had when she got to reunite with her daughter.
Once I knew she was physically okay, that's when I went and moved forward, taking care of all of my other babies.
Maddie talked about being away from the classroom.
Well, pretty boring because I don't get to see my friends.
Superintendent Spears says they can't wait to see the kids' smiling faces, but they do know it might be hard for some to walk back through the doors.
We'll have counselors here on hand that can talk to our students, can talk to our staff, can talk to our parents to try to help ease that trauma and make it a good transition back.
Melissa Spears also added they don't have a timeline of when everything will be completed, but she added that several people in the community have donated their time and money to try and get it back to normal as soon as possible. Reporting in studio, I'm Riley Birdwell. Back to you.